Hello students, today we are going to discuss DHARWAD district preparatory exam paper. So here the MCQs are like this. A region surrounded by stationary electric charge has option A, only magnetic field, only electric field, both electric and magnetic field, neither electric nor magnetic field. So in a stationary charge, stationary electric charge has only electric field. The next one is, there are two statements and the statements are, if first one, electric field at every point is normal to the equipotential surface passing through that point. Statement 2, if the electric field were not normal to the equipotential surface, work has to be done moving a test charge on the surface. See here, both the statements are correct. Both the statements are correct, and 1 and 2 are correct, and 2 is a correct explanation for 1. See, because we know that equipotential surface is always perpendicular or normal to the electric field, or electric field were normal to the equipotential surface. So if it is not normal, then work has to be done to move a test charge on the surface. Therefore, option A is correct. Next, third one, a device which works on the principal Wheatstone bridge is meter bridge. The mathematical form of Ampere circuit law is line integration of around a closed path B dot dl, that is vector B dot vector dl is mu naught I, option C. SI unit of magnetization is, we know that magnetization is total magnetic dipole moment produced per unit volume. So magnetic dipole moment can be written as I into A. So therefore it is ampere meter square divided by meter cube. So therefore it is option A, ampere per meter is a correct answer. Lenz's law is in accordance with law of conservation of energy. AC generator converts mechanical energy into electrical energy, that is option A. The phenomenon of electrical resonance is exhibited by electrical circuit if it contains inductor and capacitor. Okay, so in case of resonance, electrical resonance, the circuit should contain inductor and capacitor. Which of the following rays has lowest wavelength? See here, gamma rays is having lowest wavelength. Students, please do remember this. Gamma rays wavelength is less. Radio waves has highest wavelength, so gamma rays has lowest wavelength. For the refraction through a prism, as an angle of incidence increases, angle of deviation first decreases, then increases. See, angle of deviation decreases to 0 and then increases, so option A. Which of the following phenomenon confirms transverse nature of light waves? It is polarization. Question is, in interaction of radiation with matter, radiation behaves as if it is made up of particles called photons. Option C. In Giger-Marsden scattering experiment, the trajectory traced by an alpha particle depends on impact parameter of collision. Please do remember this point. Okay, trajectory of an alpha particle depends on impact parameter. The energy generation in star is mainly due to fusion, nuclear fusion of light nuclei. So then here there is a hot question, that is of semiconductor lesson. Diamond is an insulator, silicon and germanium both are pure semiconductor. There are two columns. In first column they have given diamond, silicon and germanium, and in second column energy gap values are given. See, diamond is an insulator whose energy gap is more than 1 or more than 3 electron volts. So diamond is 5.4 electron volt. So if we check the options, that is one is B, one B, there are two options B and D, right? So there are two options, B and D is having 1B. Then we'll check other, that is silicon and germanium. So silicon is having energy gap 1.1, that is 2A. See, 2A is in option B, so therefore option B is correct. So like this, I have solved all 15 questions MCQs of DHARWAD district question paper.